the chat box.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Everybody be ready with your GK books today. We are going to study general knowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
And we have to write in the chat box.
No, we'll see. Depends on what kind of a question it is. Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, in general knowledge, what we are doing?
Open up page number 57 of your book. What is the
Okay.
solution? Chapter name is What is the Solution?
What is the solution?
We are doing GK on SST.
We are
And
doing
we have done
GK.
this.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have done the what is solution.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the solution?
Ma'am,
you have
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done some GK.
Ma'am, we have done full GK. Only test papers are left.
done? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
On which page shall I move? Tell me. Where are the test
Ma'am,
papers?
on the test
should
papers.
move on.
66.
65. Ma'am, 65.
Now I have done all the test papers. Now I have done the full book.
66.
Now I have done the full book.
Okay, now these test papers are from the previous chapters only that we have done, right? That you have done.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the ripened ovary of a plant enclosing a seed or seeds called?
Ma'am, you have to do the 66 page number.
66 page number.
Ma'am, 65. To do the 65 page number. 65. We have to do 65.
Ma'am, we have to write the CA. Ma'am, we can write in the option. Ma'am, in the chat box.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first
Option
mark it
number.
in your books. Okay, children, listen. Now, those who have done, fine, be quiet. Those who have not done, these are test papers, okay? So what we'll
Yes,
do
ma'am.
is, you have a little time with yourself. I'm giving you a little time and you have to do it yourself. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't discuss with anyone. Don't do any this thing. We are not doing it with each other. We are just doing it on our own. So start doing it, and the one who does it, page number 65.
Now I have done all. Now I have done all the. Now I have done all the test paper.
So Dev, you will be quiet in the class now. If you have done very good, be quiet. Yes, GK, beta, GK. Today we will do GK.
Ma'am, already done.
Those who have done, what will they do? Tell me. They will keep quiet in the class. Mute yourself, Dev.
And ma'am, the question that we do not remember. So, ma'am, what we will do with that?
You will just leave that question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's try and complete all the test papers today.
Ma'am, I have done test paper 3.
Ma'am, I have done all 3 test papers.
There are only 3. There are in all 7 test papers. There are 7 test papers, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done only 2.
Children, please do it.
Then we have to do all 7.
Yes, beta, we have to do all 7. Let's try to do all 7 today. Now be
Okay,
quiet.
ma'am.
Don't tell me again and again, ma'am, I have done this much or that much.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing GK. We are studying GK today. We are doing the test papers. We'll try to complete all the test papers today. And you have to do the test papers yourselves. And suppose you don't understand any question, you get stuck anywhere, please ask me.
Ma'am, what is retina? Ma'am, it is written retina is a part of which organ?
Retina. Retina is a part of our eye. Retina is the brown this thing, the circle that is in our eye.
Okay, ma'am. उसमें तो 5000 से भी ज्यादा लगे, क्योंकि वो बड़ा फोन था, ये छोटा था। हाँ, एक मिनट। बड़े फोन में बहुत मुश्किल से। Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing GK today. We are doing the test papers of GK.
Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, the 10th one of test paper 4.
10th one of test paper 4. Okay. By which process does a plant lose water? Mainly through leaves. What is that? Yes? Transpiration. Yes, it's transpiration.
In the test paper 5th, my 5th question I cannot understand.
5th question. Who among them was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India? Mughal dynasty was founded by someone. Huh?
Babar.
Beta, wait.
Ma'am, Mughal.
Whosoever it was, Utsav just wants to understand the meaning of the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, there was a founder of Mughal dynasty. Mughal dynasty was founded by somebody. So, whom was it founded by? Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty? Tell me. Test paper 5 and?
Ma'am, 5th question.
5th question. It's B. 5th B. So, that's Babur.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the 9th one of test paper 4th. Ma'am, I cannot understand the first question of test paper 5. Ma'am, what is the meaning of cold-blooded? Ma'am, in the 9th question.
The answer is amphibians.
Which one, beta?
Yes. Ma'am, what is the meaning of cold-blooded in the 9th one? Yes, ma'am. I am also.
Cold-blooded.
Yes, ma'am.
9th
Ma'am,
one.
what is the answer of 4th?
Beta, one by one. Please. First, let me complete Iram's question. Beta, which test paper?
Ma'am, 4th test paper. 4th test paper.
4th test paper and which question?
Ma'am, the 9th one.
9th.
Ma'am,
Which of these are generally not cold-blooded animals? Now, children, see, when you'll grow big, you will study cold-blooded and hot-blooded mammals. So there are a few cold-blooded and hot-blooded. So which of these are generally not cold-blooded animals?
Mammals. Mammals.
mammals.
Yes.
Mammals.
Okay. Mammals.
Ma'am, it will be, then the answer will be amphibians.
They are cold-blooded animals. Not. There is written generally not cold-blooded animals.
And then it will be mammals. Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, beta, ask. Ask.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the question number 1 of test paper 5.
Question number 1 of test paper 5. The skull encloses which part of the body? The skull. Encloses means covers.
The book, The Adventures of
Skull. Now, what is the skull?
Author.
Skull means this. Khopdi.
Even I.
Yes, skull is that. So the skull encloses which part?
Dickens author.
Ma'am, brain.
Yes, brain.
Ma'am, it is so simple.
Who's the one?
He didn't know now what skull is. The one who knows what skull is can answer it.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the meaning of encloses? Covers.
That covers that.
Yes.
Among them, the keeper of the mall. Ma'am, ma'am, in the question number 8th question, ma'am, what is the meaning of who among them is the keeper of a museum?
Ma'am,
Who among them? Which test paper?
Ma'am, 5th.
Question number. Iram. Which question
Ma'am,
of
question number 9.
beta of fifth test paper? It is what is a fixed path along a planet? Which test paper are you?
Orbit.
Ma'am, orbit.
Children, why do you speak in between? Why do you speak? Did I ask you the answer? I'm talking to Iram. Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying test paper 5th, ma'am, what is the meaning of 9th one?
Okay, what is a fixed path along which a planet or a satellite moves? See, all the planets in the solar system have a fixed path, right? Along which satellites revolve. So what is that fixed path? We studied this in revolution and rotation in social studies, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
every planet or every heavenly body has got a fixed path around which a satellite orbits. What is that fixed path called?
Ma'am, orbit.
Yes.
What famous student are known before? Cylon.
Who among them is the keeper of a museum? Tell me, who among them is the keeper of the museum?
Curator.
Ma'am,
And curator.
Good.
Ma'am, I have done all the test paper of the GK. So, ma'am, I can tell all the
No.
students.
No need to tell any answers because already the answers are given at the back. Just try to do children their work.
Papa?
Beta, mute yourself, Utsav.
funky train compartment. Tatkal, birth. The Harman Sahib is located in which city? Harmandir, Jalandhar, Amritsar.
Ma'am, I have done all the test papers.
Very good. Very nice. Children, hurry up and do it, and then I'm going to take a quiz of it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, who was called ma'am Rawalpindi Express?
Who
Ma'am, I
was
know.
called
Ma'am, Rawalpindi Express.
Rawalpindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Swag Akbar. Ma'am,
Shoaib Akhtar. Shoaib
Yes,
Akhtar.
ma'am, Swag Akbar.
Okay. Why was Shoaib Akhtar called Rawalpindi Express? Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Who
Ma'am,
is-
I don't know.
Okay, tell me who is Shoaib Akhtar?
Ma'am, cricketer.
Okay. Children, do you know?
Cricketer.
Do you know that Milkha Singh was known as Flying Jat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because he used to run very fast. So he was named as the Flying Jat. And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Rawalpindi Express, Shoaib Akhtar was the fastest bowler of his time. So that is why he was given this title, the Rawalpindi Express.
Test paper.
Term double fold.
Ma'am, now Swag Akbar has been dead or he is still alive.
Toads and tortoise.
He is dead.
Toads and tortoise.
When Kapil Dev.
Amphibian. So. What a green pang.
Ma'am, I have done all the test papers.
Ma'am, I am doing the 6th one.
Ma'am, I have already done.
Ma'am, I already done.
Cosmology.
Ma'am, I am already done.
Don't disturb my symbols. Hari Prasad Chaurasia.
Ma'am, when all the children have done the 7 test papers, then you will ask quiz.
Yes, beta. Now, every one of you, each one of you has done all the test papers.
No, ma'am, I have not done. Ma'am,
Okay,
I have
okay, do
not
it, do it. And till then, all of you, please do a little revision. All of you, please start learning.
Ma'am, my last paper is left, 7th.
Ma'am, you will ask quiz from whole book.
No, only these test papers.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to type in the chat box or oral.
In the chat box. In the chat box.
Ma'am, can we divide?
Also known as
Which test paper? Ma'am, one.
snakes and
Beta, all the test papers, just be quiet and start learning. Start revising.
Ma'am, I have confused in 7th paper and 8th question. Ma'am, what is the study of animals called?
Ma'am, zoology.
What is the study of animals called? What is the study of plants called? Biology has got two streams. Biology is divided into two parts. First, the study of animals, and second is the study of plants. What is the study of plants called? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, geology.
No.
Ma'am, we can understand the
Ma'am,
study of
biology.
animals by
Ma'am, biology.
Ma'am,
Biology.
geology.
Beta, biology is the study of all the living creatures. Now the living creatures have been divided into two groups. One, animals and human beings, and second, plants. The study of plants is called botany. Botany. And the study of animals come under zoology.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
zoo, ma'am, zoo, ma'am, then
Yes, the
zoology.
word zoo. Related to the word zoo. Whom do you find in a zoo? You find animals.
Yes.
Ma'am, it can be
Ma'am, I have revised.
also. Ma'am, it can be
Ma'am, who studies botany, ma'am, who studies botany, they are called botanists.
Yes, botanists. Good.
Ma'am, I have revised.
Ma'am, I have also revised.
Done? Shall we start?
Ma'am, I am
Yes,
also
ma'am.
revised.
Okay. So the first question that comes your way is,
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, open the chat box.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
which
ma'am, to you only or ma'am to everyone?
to me privately.
Okay, ma'am.
By what name? Question number 1. By
Ma'am,
what?
please wait.
Why wait, Anshuman?
Ma'am, by which test paper you will ask?
Any from all the 7. I can put up any question.
Okay.
By what name is pecking known now?
Can you repeat the question?
By
Ma'am, I
what
have 10
name
answers.
is pecking
Ma'am, can you
known now?
Ma'am, who is the first?
By what name is pecking known now?
Ma'am, who is the first?
Wait.
How will the point? Who will get the first answer? Only that person will get the
Ma'am,
I am not understanding one thing that, yes, say,
ma'am, there are options or not?
no, there are no options. That is why I was telling you to learn. And Devarya, you wasted the whole period saying, ma'am, I have done, I have done.
No,
should
ma'am,
have
I have
done.
learned also. Ma'am,
Then-
I was just
Ma'am, I have sent the
Okay.
answer.
So what is the answer, Devarya? Your answer is not in the chat box.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Ma'am, who is the first?
Where is Iram? Beta, Iram, your answer is wrong. Jayesh, your answer is wrong. Devarya, you have not sent the answer so far. And so many other students. There is no answer from your side. Okay, so this point goes to Utsav Gangwar. His answer is correct.
Ma'am,
Can
my
I
answer.
send the next answer?
And the
Ma'am, my answer is correct or not?
Ma'am, can I send the next answer or not?
beta, what next answer? Have I asked the next question? Let me at
No,
least.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my answer is correct or not?
Ma'am, only this question answer.
Okay, you mean to say you can send the correct answer or not? You're saying this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, what is the correct answer, Iram? Just tell it to me like that.
Ma'am, only like that, ma'am, not checkbox.
Not chat box. Now because everyone has typed the answer. What is the answer?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is China.
China तो बेटा ऑप्शन भी नहीं दिया हुआ.
Ma'am, Beijing.
Beijing.
Ma'am, Beijing.
Beijing is what?
Ma'am,
The
I have-
capital of China. Do you all know that?
No.
Beijing is the capital
Yes,
of China. So that is
Yes, ma'am.
that is known by the name of Peking. Peking now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
this point goes to me.
Utsav, I have already
Ma'am,
told
but I
this
have-
point goes to you. Nobody is going to steal your point. Don't worry. Okay?
Ma'am, but I have also sent it the correct answer.
You have sent the
Mine
correct
also.
answer. Now, children, whosoever's answer will be wrong, I will tell that your answer is wrong. Okay? Lakshita Gangwar, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Beijing. Fine?
Ma'am,
Don't
how
say, "Ma'am, my answer is correct."
will get point?
The one who is answering first will get a point. Okay, rest everyone's answer was correct. The ones whose answer was not correct, I have called out your names. Fine, and I have told the correct answer also now. So those who marked it wrong in their books, please make this correction. What is the collective noun for wolf? What is the collective noun for wolf?
Ma'am, send.
Ma'am, wolf.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
send.
wolf. Ma'am, for wolf.
Wolf, wolf, W-O-L-F. Anshuman,
Ma'am,
who is the first?
What is wrong?
Ma'am, who is the first one?
Ma'am, who
Okay.
is the first one?
The first one is, okay, this time it is somebody different. Devarya,
Ma'am,
what is
no.
this answer, beta? This is a wrong answer. The first one is Anshuman. Okay, so
And
1
ma'am, the
point
second
goes to Anshuman. The correct answer is pack. Pack of.
Ma'am, I'm one time first and Anshuman also one time first.
Ma'am, I have written the first time back
Today I
only.
will beat Anshuman.
Ma'am, I have written first time back only.
also sent the correct answer.
Beta, your answer is correct, but this quiz is okay. Good that you have sent the correct answer. Very nice. I appreciate all the ones who have sent the correct answer, but okay, na, it is a game. Let's give points to the one who is sending the answer first, who's
Okay,
being
ma'am.
the quickest to send the answer. Don't get disheartened. Your answer is absolutely correct. And Krishna Jaiswal, what is this answer, beta? My question is, what is the collective noun for wolf? What is this answer? This is a wrong answer. It's pack. Then the third one. The term free kick is normally used in which sport?
Ma'am, I am giving.
Okay, this time also I have somebody else. The quickest one.
Please, I. Please, I.
Okay, it's Prasun Gangwar.
Ma'am, I cannot find one letter. So I am not.
I also, Praswan, I am also one time first, you and Anshuman also.
Okay,
Now see
very good. The
first.
correct answer is free kick term is used in the game, in the sport football.
Ma'am, football.
Snakes and lizards belong to which group of animals? Snakes and lizards.
Ma'am, I have sent the answer.
What is the question?
Snakes and lizards belong to which group of animals?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, who is
first.
the first?
The correct answer, very good children, all of you are sending correct answers. The correct answer is they belong to the group of reptiles.
Ma'am, and who is the first?
Ma'am,
And
first.
the first one is Utsav Gangwar.
Now see, and Prasoon, you were saying the first.
Okay, the next question is
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is
which famous person's last words were "I am bored with it all"?
Winston Churchill?
Jayesh beta, your answer is wrong. Prasun, I don't know where you are sending the answers from. Prasun, what are you doing beta? Your answers are not matching the question only. They have
Ma'am,
no
who is the
connection with the question.
correct answer?
Yes?
Ma'am, who is the first?
The correct
Ma'am, who is
the correct answer is Winston Churchill. Right?
And ma'am, who is the first?
The first
ma'am, who
one
is
to send this answer is Anshuman Gangwar.
Oh, shit.
Mm.
2 points, okay. See, who is the winner?
All right. The next question is, in which city is the Meenakshi temple located? Oh, very nice. The first answer comes to me by
Huh? Guwahati? Ma'am, who is the first?
the correct answer is Madurai. And the one
Ma'am, who
to
is the first?
this Jayesh. Jayesh is the first one to send it.
I'm not, ma'am. So worry.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Jayesh, you get 1 point.
Ma'am, I am two.
Ma'am, I also 2. Ma'am, Anshuman and I 2.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
0.
Which computer key is to be pressed to write in uppercase?
Caps lock.
Thanks for telling the answer to everyone, Anshuman. You have helped out everyone.
Ma'am, who is the first? Ma'am, always Anshuman tell the answer.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Okay, this time the first one is. Any
Anshuman.
guesses?
Ma'am,
Children are improving. Huh? Very good, very nice.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Ma'am, who is the first?
Ma'am, who is the first?
Varin Goyal.
Yeah.
Very nice. See, Varin, what a nice change it is. Okay. Next one. What is the study of animals called? Oh, very nice. I've got the answer from somebody again different.
Ma'am, now I will see.
Utsav, what is wrong with you today, huh?
Ma'am, I have also 2 points. Ma'am, all the
Utsav has become overconfident now. Is it, Utsav?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am on 1 point.
All right. So this point goes to
I'm on
Iram
1
Naz. Iram Naz is the winner of this one.
ma'am.
यार उसका काय काम असतं.
Oh, stop it. Okay. Then one is who is the famous explorer amongst these names?
Ma'am,
Magellan, Bismillah Khan, Don Bradman, and Jonathan Swift. Who is the famous explorer?
Ma'am, who is the first?
Iram Naz. Again Iram Naz. What is the answer, children?
Ma'am, Magdalene.
Meglin. So Iram is the first one to send the answer. Very good, Iram.
And ma'am,
Keep it up.
which position?
Now this game is coming on. This game is becoming for all of you. Earlier it used to be only between Utsav and Anshuman. Now everyone is
Yes, ma'am.
increasing his speed. Good. I like
Ma'am,
it.
only 1 minute. Ma'am, but only 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, please ask one question to ma'am. My image can.
Oh. You can get back your image. All right. Which is the national tree of Pakistan?
Ma'am, who is the first?
What is the tree name? Tell me.
Ma'am, Deodar.
Okay, very nice. Again, a new person, huh? That's Rachit Singh. Good. Keep it up. So we are going to continue the same work in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am of GK and SST. Ma'am of GK or SST.
Which
Ma'am,
period do
today
you
my
have
hands
next?
are very cold. Ma'am, today my hands are cold because
Ma'am, both SST and GK. Ma'am, both SST
I have
and
2
GK on
points. Everyone
Tuesday.
has 2
Take
points.
GK.
Even-
I'll take GK in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 1 point.
After this class only.
No.
Sir, 2
I have 5th period with you. 5th period.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
will
ma'am.
practice. Ma'am, I will
Okay, yes,
practice.
till then practice hard.
Ma'am, I want my image back.
All the best.